Now let us study about conversion from infix to prefix. In the previous video, we have discussed everything, right? We have discussed how infix, prefix, postfix works. After that, how we have already learned about. We even learned about the STL standard template library of stack. That how can you do in a simple way, like push, pop, empty, top, everything you can do, that we discussed earlier. Then we have discussed how postfix works, right? How to convert from infix to postfix. So if you go to my playlist of stack, then you can see all the videos. These are so much important problems that we need to cover. So here, if you know, I've explained you till now, right? So if you know how to convert from infix to postfix, then doing prefix is so much simple, so much easy, and I'm going to show you with an example. Again, if you have not seen the previous video, that is, I code in the previous video, I have coded, and again this theory part is in other video. If you go to my playlist, you can see there. It is, I have given the name as infix to prefix, sorry, infix to postfix introduction. So there you need to learn how it works. So now it will be easy for learning infix to prefix. So again, same example I'm going to take. Here one difference is, while you are sending, right, when you are sending each and every character of the infix, this time you send from backwards. You send E first, then you send plus, then D. Like this you send from reverse, and all other process will remain same. And other process, as I already said, that when there is opening bracket, then you push that into stack. Then after that you need to push all the operator into stack. After that you need to when you find the closing bracket, right, at that time you need to pop out all the operator from starting from opening bracket into this result, right? Then you need to again pop out this bracket. That is what I explained. So same thing will happen in this also, but you need to be careful that here we are going to reverse, right, reverse of this string. So you need to push closing bracket first. So then after you need to push all the operator. Then when you find the open bracket, right, at that time you need to pop out everything that is starting, the operators that are starting from the closing bracket. Then you need to pop out that closing bracket also. That is what the condition, that is the only condition we have. And another important thing what you need to do is, after you are getting result, right, when you get the result, you need to display the reversed version of this result. That's it. If you do that much, then you will get the infix expression in postfix form. Infix expression in prefix. So let me take this same example, and let me do for that one. So initially I have stack here. This is my stack. Then I have have what result. There is again a string. Then I have, see, while sending I am sending reverse. So in reverse order I will send. So E is first, then plus, then D, then minus, then what, then closing bracket, then C, then star, then what, then B, then open bracket, then what, then plus A. So we have till there are three conditions. Again, this is not one condition, there are three conditions. One, you need to reverse initially. After that you need to push normally whatever you do in the result. Then again stack will be empty and you are pushing plus. And again, another important thing I forgot is, whenever in infix to postfix, what you have did is, if stack is plus and you need to insert negative, then you would have chucked this both thing, right? If they are equal, or if the precedence of negative is less than positive, right? See, you will imagine this is a stack top that I explained already in a previous video. You can watch there. Imagine this is stock tab. This is the character that you need to put it into a stack. So see the stack top. Yes, I saw. If it is in the post infix to postfix, what we have did is, if this stack top is less than, if it is less than the character, then only we were pushing the character into this stack, or else we would have popped all the character. And when the precedence will be same, right, then also we popped. Like in infix to postfix, when we wanted to insert negative, we had compared. Now precedence of negative and positive is same, then also you should pop, and you need to insert negative. So you need to pop into string, right? You need to pop plus into string, then you need to push this negative here. So in this case, you don't need to do that one. You don't need to do you don't need to pop the operator with similar precedence. So that is also one of the condition. So that is the second condition. Third condition is what? Third condition is opening bracket and closing bracket. And what is the fourth condition? You need to reverse the output, what you get. That's it. That's it. Everything is same. So now what? String will be like this. Then you need to put D, right? Okay, D. Then what? Negative. So positive, after positive, you need to put negative. You don't need to pop anything. So then open closing bracket. Okay, I have C plus minus. Then let me erase and do properly. Our line stands here. Okay, 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 okay. Now see, I'm just putting the bracket here as I explained you earlier. Then again, I got what? I should get C. This is C actually. See, this is C. This is C. It is not closing bracket. This is nothing but C. So this, since it is C, just put this here. Then what? Star. Then what? Star. Then simply put that here. Then E D C. Then what? B. Then what? B E D C B. Right? Then what? This is closing opening bracket. So at that time you need to pop everything from this one, and you need to pop this also, this closing bracket. So in stack we will have only plus minus. Here we will have E D C B and star. After that positive, again positive we have. Since they are all same, we can say precedence are same, then we can simply put this like this. Then what? A. So plus negative, and then need to put that A here. Then what? Then you need to check the stack whether it is full or empty. It means it is empty or not. If it is not empty, pop everything here. It pop everything back to result. So what I get is E D C B star A plus minus plus. This plus is this one, then this is the minus, then that last plus is this one. So this is not the result actually. We need to reverse this. So if we reverse, again I am using HTL. If you know HTL, it is good. You can directly use HTL function, reverse function. But if you don't know, you can use normal for loop and do the thing. Now I need to get this result, right? There are only 4 conditions I need to just insert into previous code. So previous code was this one for infix to postfix. So I was getting this postfix result. Now I will do that 4 changes. What are those 4 changes? See, if it is opening bracket, then you push. If it is closing, then you need to pop everything. Then what? Again, till you find this one, you need to do. Then what? Then if it is less than, if it is equal, don't need to pop. So I took less than. Then what? We have again, while sending, I need to send from reverse, right? So I will take s dot size -1, then I should be greater than equal to 0, then I minus minus. So this was my, actually this was my first condition, then this was my condition. Okay, this was my condition. Then after that, what? After that I need, this was third condition was this one. So again, first condition I am going from right to left. Second condition, this is the second condition. So third condition I removed equals here. Then fourth condition, whatever I get right, I need to reverse reverse. This is HTL function. So since it is a string, I will use begin and resu result dot end. So from begin starting to end, you need to reverse this string, and I need to consider this algorithm library. I think it is good to go. If I run, I'm getting the result. Let me check whether what I got is equal to what I have written here. Okay, plus minus plus d star. Okay, d here. Why d? It is a, right? See, I need to reverse. This is a. Actually, this was a. Sorry. So this is a. Let's see. Plus minus plus a star b c d e. Okay. So that is correct. So next, what we are discussing, next video we are further discussing how to convert from prefix to infix, then postfix to infix, then prefix to postfix. Like this, all the combination I am going to do. Everything under stack playlist you can get. So thank you, and if you understood something, please like the video and please subscribe.